Good morning guys. So today I need to do a bit of a declutter. I feel like my house isn't getting out of control, but I still feel like I need to declutter a few of my rooms, just bits and pieces here and there, and I think it's just a matter of maintaining things as you go. So I thought I'd take you along with me while I declutter. And yeah, I hope you guys find this interesting and I hope you find it helpful. If you're new to my channel, my name's Mel. I do a lot of minimalism and mummy tips to help simplify motherhood. So if you're interested in that kind of thing, I post weekly videos and I'd love to have you click that red subscribe button and join my YouTube fam. Alright, so I'm gonna go eat my breakfast and then get into decluttering. Okay, so I want to start my bedroom. In terms of decluttering, I've got some dirty clothes on the floor that I need to put in the laundry basket. That is our new bed. This is probably not the way I wanted to introduce it to you guys, showing you my messy room, but I've made the bed, and this is a king size bed. We got it from Snooze, the bed store, and king size mattress. And in here we've got two big drawers. And this has kind of solved the problem of my husband dumping all his clothes on the floor. You know how you come home and you want to get changed and you've got clothes that aren't clean enough to go back in the closet, but you don't want them just dumped on the floor like he usually does. So now this is where I put those clothes, and every now and then I'll go through it and just chuck some stuff in the wash. No! And on my side I've just got our blanket. The wardrobe is a little bit messy, but it's just more, it needs tidying, it doesn't need decluttering, so I'm not going to worry about decluttering it right now. So this is just dirty washing to go in the washing basket, and then this is my stuff, which is like my in-between lounge clothes. And what I want to do is get rid of this basket, or take this away because it's kind of in the way, and put all those clothes, like my in-between lounge clothes, in the bottom drawer of my bedside table, because I don't have much on my bedside table now, but I just need to go through and rearrange it and declutter it and just make sure I can fit everything in there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now.
Head underwater, falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes, down deep and under. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors.
So just to show you how I've gone here, that's my picture of my husband, which I've turned over for privacy reasons because, you know, he's really shy. My notebook where I write down YouTube ideas. This is from Typo, I think. I got this pen from Kiki K. I just love it. It's rose gold glitter, and it just makes me happy to have some nice stationery to write down some of my creative ideas for my YouTube channel. And the IKEA catalogue, which I can probably get rid of now. I don't really need it.
Hello.
Got some books. I'm reading Crushing at the moment. I'm about halfway through it.
Hello.
Hello. And I actually was really lucky. I won these two books. I attended a webinar that Amy Michelle Landino was having, and she was giving away a copy of her book, Vlog Like a Boss, and Gary's book, Crushing It, in which she features. And I won the competition. Like, I was one of the people who attended the webinar, and for one of us, she was giving away these two books, and I won it. And I was so stoked. So I managed to fit everything in there that was in the bottom drawer because I decluttered previously, and I'll link that video above. And this is like my lounge wear, excuse my bra, and yeah, so it fit, and then I can use this basket for something else, or maybe sell it or something. I'm finding that the more I declutter, the less I need extra storage, so that's good. And then this book is so old, it's so out of date. 24 Hours to Perfect Interview. I don't really need it. There's much more up-to-date stuff, and anyway, I'm not planning on applying for a new job anytime soon. And then this is just dirty laundry. What are you doing? Yeah. And then I've still got to go through this mess at the back here.
Bye.
Bye.
See ya.
See ya. And my husband's left his jeans there, but I'm not going to put them away in the drawer because I know he'll get home with my son. I want to wear those, so I'm going to put those on the bed so you can find it. Don't stand on that box, it's dangerous. Then there's all this mess here. My husband is notorious for travelling for work and then just dumping a suitcase there, and it's usually half packed still. That's my bad, organising products I bought from Aldi that I haven't actually used. Husband's books I need him to go through, some other junk I need to go through, and then here's some junk that I'm like selling or decluttering or donating that, yeah, I really just need to bite the bullet and get rid of it. Oh, that's my new bed spread cover from Big W. I bought another one because I like that one better than the one that's on the bed currently. I don't know, I've been procrastinating. This just becomes a dumping ground.
You're keeping me on.
Cords and things that we don't, I'm pretty sure we don't need these, but I'll check with hubby. Then I've found my camera manual. Yay! I need that. Yeah, I just forgot where that was. And it was in a pile of junk in this basket in the corner underneath pillows and stuff. So, found my baby's first birthday cards, and she's now 2. And this is Bud's 5th birthday cards, which I found. This is one from a very good friend of his from daycare. And she's drawn him and her together, and it says, first wedding picture. I've got a special box which for each of these guys, which I can put these things in. I found a wallet which has like heaps of store loyalty cards in, which half of them I don't even use anymore, but the ones I'll go through and the ones I do use I'll load onto an app. I need to do that. I found my new headphones. Wonder where they went. Whole lot of books, and I'll just double check with hubby, but I want to get rid of those. Rubbish. And my new pillow, which I haven't got out and used yet. And this is my bad, all my organising containers and stuff. And then I've just got to unpack my husband's suitcases and put those away. The suitcases are empty now. I've put that one back in the closet. That one's going to go on the top shelf of the closet. I've emptied out a whole lot of stuff from here, which is all my husband's stuff, which he needs to go through, which is like bags of stuff. You can see. And he's been lying in the wardrobe on all this stuff, and it's all gotten fluffed up, so I'm going to have to go at that with a lint brush. But anyway, husband needs to go through that. I need to tackle this mess here. It needs to go back in the wardrobe. DVDs from when I was sick. Things need to go back in the lounge. This is the go in another room pile here. I need to sew that up for my son. Don't need that. So cat's brush, that should go in another room. Another odd cord, something to do with instructions for the bed. I'll keep those. I'll leave that there because that's for this room. Bed stuff, pliers and stuff. No idea what this thing is. Something to do with USB or something. It's really dusty. Achoo! My husband bought these for to do with my son, and they haven't used them. Button that I need to sew on. So I need to keep 2 buttons I need to sew on stuff that's come off of my clothes. Spare button that needs to go in my button box from something I bought from Review. I think that was part of my work wardrobe haul. Look how dusty it is. It's disgusting. Are you helping? You're very helpful. Alright guys, so here is where we're at. This stuff is some stuff which I'm planning to send to family. This is an old pram liner which I'm going to put in the donation bin. These are my Charmed DVDs. I love that series, but I'm just probably not going to watch it again. So I've got to bite the bullet and get rid of those. GPS, it doesn't work. The alarm clock I don't need anymore, I'm going to donate. This is jewellery I was planning on selling. I think there's a place where you can send like gold and stuff and they send you money for it. It's not worth very much, but I thought I'd give it a go and see how that went. Baby safety. I bought this on a whim. Magnetic spice containers. Either going to sell those very cheap or donate them. And some other stuff that I need to declutter. That's Ernie's brush. There's another room. This here is old camera gear that my mum gave me, and it's stuff that is like at least 10 years old. I think one of the cameras I couldn't even get to work, so I'm just not sure where to take that. So we'll see how we go with that. Got to decide because that bag has been sitting there for a year in the corner of my bedroom. And this is more sentimental stuff. So I'll probably go through that in a separate video. But yeah, I need to declutter that. So I've just been hanging on to it, and sentimental stuff I've just really been procrastinating on. Husband's part of the bedroom, heaps better and neater. This is stuff my husband has to sort through. This is stuff I need to put away and start using. These are my organising containers, so as I go through the rest of my house I'll decide whether I even need these, and what I don't need I'll donate or sell. And my side is looking heaps better as well. I don't have like a bucket of clothes on the floor anymore. These two corners of the room that were looking really bad, it's looking heaps better, and that stuff that hopefully will go in the next couple of weeks. This is like my donate pile. In this box is stuff that I've decluttered previously. It's still half empty, so as I go through the rest of the house I'll probably end up putting more stuff in the box, including this stuff, and give that a dust, and yeah, then I think my work here is done. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful and motivating. I hope it's inspired you to declutter something in your home. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and comment below and let me know what are some of the trouble spots in your home that you need to declutter, that you've been putting off decluttering. Make me feel a little bit better about having procrastinated on these corners of my bedroom for so long. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love you to subscribe by clicking on my picture below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!